In this video, I'm going to show you how to use QGIS with Google Earth. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but the one I usually use is very quick and easy. So I simply go to Plugins up top, Manage and Install Plugins, and then in here you want to look for something called Quick Map under Not Installed. So go to Not Installed, type in Quick Map, and here you have the next GIS Quick Map Services. Click on that and click on Install Plugin, and it's going to install your plugin. You can close this, and then you can see over here on the top you have like a bunch of different things. You can click on this plus button, and then here you have Google, and you can find the Google satellite and then a bunch of different ones as well. And there's also different maps you have over here, as you can see, a bunch of different ones. So I'm just going to go and use this Google, click on Google satellite, and as you can see here, this is basically going to put in Google Earth. Okay, so it's like a very similar thing over here. Or you could also go and try to like integrate Google Earth Engine or GEE. You could go and import KML or KMZ files. You could add satellite imagery as base maps, etc. But those are more advanced methods. If you just wanted like the basics, this is the basic way, and this is kind of the easy way to do it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.